Hey guys, welcome to Freebird Organizing. Today we're doing a small closet makeover. Specifically, my own closet for my two girls. Yeah, kid clothes are no fun, but look at this little girl. She's so cute. Until it's not. And this baby, so adorable. Yeah, until they pull out all the clothes from the drawer. Oh, look at these two working together. I like it. And they pour it on their head. That seems par for the course. If you feel deflated after looking at these, you want your closet to look like this, and it ends up looking like that, well, join the club. Kid clothes are the worst. But with flow organizing, you can make your small closet work for you.
Some of you might be asking, what the heck is flow organizing? Well, flow organizing is pretty much acceptance. You need to accept that people are different than you. They think differently. The way they organize themselves to do things is different. And therefore, what you think is an organized, acceptable way to behave and put things may not work for that person. So, for example, my kids, they want to put their dirty laundry in a certain spot. And I have to accept that. It's always going to happen. So I put a laundry basket there to help me to contain the mess. So without further ado, here is my small closet makeover kid style.
Okay, here's my closet. It's not a big deal, right? But it's just so functional now. These are, little buckets that I had kicking around, and I just made a couple swimsuit things, and I decided that to go with the flow, I'd have Ivy hang up her clothes. She's capable of it. She likes to look at what she has and pick it out. And down here, I have where I put their clean clothes for them to put away. Once again, part of flow. Make it so they can do it themselves. I have their socks and underwear drawer, all their dance stuff. If it looks like my kids don't have a lot of things, I am a bit of a minimalist, so that may be true. And finally, I took all of Estelle's clothes out of that small closet and put it in a couple drawers that I found at Walmart. Her pajamas end up everywhere, so I made them very accessible to her. Okay, these are not folded, and I'm going to tell you why. Flow. In order for my daughter, who's 4, to put her own clothes away, she just needs to stuff them in an appropriate drawer. That's it. So I'm so excited that I did this. It was much needed, and I hope you can reach out to me and help you declutter and contain your small closet so your space's greatest potential can be exposed. Have a great day, guys.